knows the 12 days of Christmas? Raise your hand. You know the 12 days of Christmas? Okay.
Marianne? Yeah, I know.
There might be a partridge in a pear tree or something like that.
Carolyn?
Okay. We have to find that partridge.
We do.
Yes.
Christmas, my true love sent to me.
There you go.
Christmas, my true love sent to me. 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. And a partridge in a pear tree.
That sounds good.
4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 golden rings. 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and
George?
4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, laying down golden rings.
Come on.
4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Are we at 10 yet?
And a partridge in a pear tree.
We're at 12, George. You ready? 12.
Day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. When we come, I am a poor boy to me and my drum. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. You would even say it goes. All of the others, everyone thought the Christmas Eve Santa came to say, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, and all the reindeer loved him, like the child of
Christmas bells be
Nice dancing.
He's making a list in the checkered box. Gonna find out he knows if he knows if you can better. I'm telling you what, Santa Claus is coming. Coming into life one day. Just the same as you and me. We wish you a